How to fix Spotify error, that is something went wrong during login. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such a login issue when trying to log in inside your Spotify account, so in that case what you need to do is first come over to your search bar and simply searching for Spotify. So once you search in, locate the Spotify, just come over to its settings, that is app settings. So just enter the app settings from over here. Once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option called repair or reset. You can try both of these options, so try repairing it, and once you don't do that, you can simply reset the application as well, so you may have to re-log in with your login credentials on your Spotify application. So if that doesn't work for you, you can simply head over to your Microsoft Store and simply search in for Spotify application just like this, and if there's any update button, you can simply tap on the update, or you can also try reinstalling it from over here as well. So to reinstall or to uninstall, first what you need to do is just come over to Spotify just like this, and you can easily uninstall from over here. That is, just scroll down and simply uninstall from over here as well. So by reinstalling your application, your issue should be fixed once and for all. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.